stupid. Who rolls around with it? How old are you?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Stop. What happened to your leg?
I dislocated my knee. I literally have a broken leg. You can't arrest me for having a broken leg. Swear to God, I'm already suing for somebody breaking my leg. I've literally done nothing wrong. I don't know how else to explain that to you. You broke my leg.
On the 27th of June 2022, officers in Cincinnati, Ohio, responded to a call about a group of teenagers selling bottles of water on the streets and running between cars. Upon arriving at the scene, the officers met some very combative teenagers.
Hey, take that water bottle if you just threw.
If y'all want to sell water bottles, that's fine. Stay out of the streets, though, because you got it's all over when we're walking. You guys are all just stay out of the streets. Just stay out of the streets. That's all I'm asking. I'm telling you right now, they're calling us. I don't want to do something about it, right? Do you need me to? Do you want me to write you a ticket for impeding traffic? You're probably right. I probably should. No, you're right. You're right. Oh, now you're gonna run. Okay, yeah, that's probably good for you too. Keep it up. Okay. Have a good day. Okay. Well, you're the one that said write you a ticket. Now you don't want. Now you're gonna walk away. You wanna? Do you really wanna have a bet on that? I guarantee. Stay out of the roadway. All right. You wanna deal with it?
The officers decided that they do in fact want to deal with it, so they tried to detain the teens. That's when the encounter turned chaotic.
Out of the road. You too. You're in the road. Come here.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased. Stop resisting.
I'm not in the wall. I ain't in the wall. Take his pants off his head.
Stop. Get back! I'm gonna get tased. Get back! Get back! Get back! You're gonna get tased. Stop resisting. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get back. Get out of the road.
While the officer was cuffing and placing the 14-year-old boy in the back of his cruiser, his partner was occupied trying to arrest a different teenage boy.
Hey, no, my brother ain't even not in the road. I'm not in the road. I'm not in the road, bro. Don't let me call my own road. I'm not in the road. I'm not in the road. Don't touch me. Watch out.
Get out of the road.
Don't fucking touch me. Watch out. Don't touch me. Ooh, don't touch me. Watch out. Hey. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Come here. I said come here now.
Don't touch me. Why don't you touch me? Why don't you touch me? Why don't you touch me?
I told you
Why don't you
stop.
touch me? Why don't you touch me?
I said stop. I don't care. Stop.
Hey, why don't you touch me? Get off me.
Stop. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Stop.
What you want? What you want?
Stop.
What you want me for? Stop. Stop. Get off of me. What is you detaining me for? What is you detaining me for?
Put your hands behind your back.
Detaining me for?
Put your hands behind your back.
Detaining me for?
Put your hands behind. I'm giving you a lawful order.
What is you
Put your
detaining me
hands
for?
behind your back.
Why is you detaining me
Hands
for?
behind your back.
Why is you detaining me for? Put your hands behind your back.
Let's go.
Why are you detaining me, folks?
Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you detaining me? Put your hands behind your back. Why are you detaining me, folks? Put your hands behind your back. Why would you detain me behind your back? Why are you detaining me, folks? Why are you detaining me, folks? Why are you detaining me, folks? Why are you detaining me, folks?
After arresting the second boy, the officer spotted a teenager asking for her bag that was taken during the first arrest. Before returning it, the officer decided to take a peek inside first.
Get out of the road. Get out of the roadway.
I got my bag. I need my bag.
Why do it? You're like, hold on, like, what's up? What I do? What I do? Let me out. What I do?
You got my bag. I need my bag.
4152, any units on scene to crowd run. Can you advise if fire is needed?
Oh, this is your bag?
It's a BB gun. It's
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting, bro. I'm not resisting.
You gotta.
Bro, get off of me, bro.
I'm gonna tell you one time. Do not resist.
There's a mute in the bag. I don't think we do. There's no use of force being used. Other
Not
than
need fire. Cancel fire. I copy. Canceling fire. Keep starting fire.
good. Yeah. Hold on to her. We got a full car here. Hold on. Hey, Lane, you want to go over there with Cress? Stupid. Who rolls around with it? How old are you?
It's a BB gun.
Why would you roll around with that? Why?
It was in the bag. We just selling water, bro. God, that's my bag.
Crazy.
The officer unzipped the bag and saw what appeared to be a firearm inside. The teen told officers it was a BB gun. After examination, it was found to be a BB gun that was an exact replica of a Glock 19, and the girl was eventually let go. Both the boys, 14 and 15-year-old, were arrested for resisting arrest and obstructing official business. They have since been released to their families. Police are asking people in the Roselawn community to offer locations where teens can sell their water while making money and remaining safe.
Get me out of these handcuffs. I'm not going to jail.
This is 19-year-old Nicole, and on the 1st of March 2022, she was kicked out of the Marriott Hotel in Tallahassee, Florida. However, Nicole simply refused to leave, choosing to stubbornly sit in the lobby instead. The hotel staff were forced to call the police.
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm okay, thank you.
You doing alright?
Yeah.
Okay, well, the hotel just wants you to leave, okay?
I can't really walk.
Huh?
I can't walk.
What happened to your leg?
I dislocated my knee.
Okay. You don't have crutches?
No.
I'm sorry, it ain't up to me, but somehow you made it up the steps and you made it across the lobby.
I literally can't even walk.
Huh?
I literally can't even
Okay,
walk.
I will help you
It's
out of it.
literally an injustice for you to ask me. Like, I literally can't even walk.
No, ma'am. Help you. Somehow you made it up them steps and you made it across this lobby. You're gonna have to make it the same way out of the hotel.
Look, sir, there's no reason
You
why
made it
can't
up
walk.
the steps. You made it through the hall. You made it to this far. I will help you, but you're gonna have to go out of the hotel. I'm trying to help you not go in
I'm
handcuffs.
standing up at the front of the hotel for a reason with a broken leg.
Okay, well I'm about to put you in handcuffs, and we're still gonna go somewhere. You're not
I'm
standing.
not getting into handcuffs. I can't even stand up. I literally can't even stand up. I'm waiting for
Okay, if we
something
have to pick
find
you
me.
up, we'll take you out, but you're going to get out of the hotel.
And go where?
To jail.
Nicole refused to cooperate with the officer until he motivated her with a trespass charge and a pair of handcuffs. That's when she decided to give walking a shot.
I'm gonna ask you one more time, then I'm gonna go ahead and put you in these handcuffs.
How are you supposed to help me walk?
10:15, sit in at the unit.
Look, man, I'm not meaning to cause any
Negative.
trouble. I
We're
can't
done
even
talking.
stand up.
We're done talking.
I need your arm like around me to help me walk
That's
out.
what. Didn't I say I was going to do that in the first place?
Dude, you're not booking me in this. That's fucking ridiculous. You're being so rude right now. You know that I can't walk on this leg.
I'm being rude.
You know that with the dislocated patella, I can't stand on that. Get over here then if you want me outside and get me out of these cuffs. I can't move.
Okay.
Get me out of these handcuffs. I'm not going to jail.
All right, we're going to help you up, okay?
No, this is unfair. This is completely unfair. I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to jail for this. I've literally done nothing wrong. You need to get me out of these handcuffs.
Don't catch a
Sir,
resistance charge.
I understand. I literally have a broken leg. You can't arrest me for having a broken leg. Look, that's honestly enough. Like, with that, we can start walking outside. That's fine.
What?
Just you holding my arm like that.
Okay. We can walk this way.
I mean, you need to, like, be comfortable with providing, like, a little bit of support there. It's
Well, I'm trying.
super painful.
Okay.
I literally can't even move.
Okay.
Dude, you need to take these cuffs off. This is completely unfair. I've literally done nothing wrong.
Well, you're under arrest, so that's the
I'm
reason.
under arrest under what?
For trespassing.
I'm not trespassing. I'm waiting for a room. I'm waiting for a room and I have a broken leg. I'm literally waiting for a room and I have a broken leg. That is completely unfair.
Finally off the couch, the officers began to escort Nicole out of the hotel. And it was going fine for the first few steps, at least.
Oh my god, no. I'm in so much pain. Can you please put me down?
Put you down?
You're not even walking. You're literally making it more painful. You're literally making it more painful.
Are you gonna walk or?
I'm trying to walk and I can't.
May just have to pick her up.
It's so bad.
She's saying she's hurting herself.
She walked in here. She can walk out.
I can't walk out. My friend carried me. My friend literally had her arm like hugged around my back. I can't walk like this.
You want us to carry you?
It hurts so bad.
Okay, just one leg.
I can't move my other leg.
That's not the hurt leg.
I can't stand on this hurt leg.
They're going to support you.
Oh, it hurts so bad. Please stop holding my arms like that.
Well, that's you told us. You said you wants to support you.
It hurts so bad.
I just think carry you. That's what we're gonna have to do.
Oh, I don't want you to touch my leg. I don't want you to touch my leg.
All right, so let's walk. Come on.
Those are our options.
This far out here.
I'm literally explaining it to you. Look, I've done literally nothing wrong. I can't even walk.
With Nicole apparently suffering an insurmountable amount of pain, one officer came up with a brilliant idea to get her out of the hotel.
I'm getting it. I'm a wheeler. Look at it. You're already thinking the right thing.
I think we have a wheel.
You're going to sit down, you're going to put your leg up. We're going to wheel you.
Hang on, you have to put some support there. I'm not standing on this leg. I'm not standing on the leg. No, it hurts so bad. It won't heal properly if you do that. I need to go sit back outside.
We're outside.
Oh, wait. Don't let me down. Don't let me down yet.
I got you. What is wrong with you? What are you yelling for?
Get off of me!
Negative.
I don't want you touching me. Get off of me.
Wrong.
You're hurting my leg. You are hurting my broken leg that hasn't healed yet.
Nobody's here.
No, get off of me. Get off of me. At this point, I don't even care. Get off
You
of
are
me.
not.
Get off.
Start grabbing at my hand.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
About to catch another charge.
Get off of
Now,
me.
No, negative.
Get off of me.
Scoot back. No, she needs to scoot back and put her leg up.
You need to get off
Scoot back.
of me.
No, I don't want to pull you.
You
but
don't give a f about my leg. Get off of me.
Come this way.
No.
Come this way.
No. Ow!
Nothing's happening to your
Nothing.
leg.
Lift her leg up, cause I ain't got time to be doing this all day.
Careful. Oh.
Good.
This one up.
Look at that, genius.
You're an asshole.
After a good bit more screaming, Nicole was finally on her way out. Once they made it to the squad car, however, Nicole for some reason thought the officers were just going to let her go.
Yeah, she's gonna have to go in butt first.
Dude, can you just drop me off somewhere? I'm leaving.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. She got to get up and go that way first.
Okay, you want to
All right.
spin her around or?
Can I please, look, sir, I understand the warning.
Make it less. Put your other leg up real quick.
Look, sir, can I just say something, please? Can I just say something?
You've been saying stuff.
Officer, look, I understand the warning, and I do apologize. If you don't mind, I want to peacefully leave the premises without going to jail.
No, I told you we're way past
Please.
that. All right, we're going to help you up, and you're going to put all your support on that leg, and we're going to help you up at the same time, okay? When you go in butt first, all right? And then I'm going, or one of these officers will help pull you back as we help push you in, okay? All right.
No, dude, this is illegal. You have to do something
All
about
right, put your
this.
leg down.
You work here.
Put your leg down.
No, your job is to get me a fucking hotel room. This is fucking illegal. I'm not fucking paying for shit here.
Put your leg down. All right, we're going to help you up.
Without going to jail.
Okay.
Ow, 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 ow.
All right, make sure you go in butt first. Yeah, one of y'all probably gonna come out there with me.
Okay.
Where's my backpack?
He has it.
It's in the car. All
Where's
right.
the backpack? The entire backpack.
That way.
I better not be missing anything from
All right,
that
start
bag.
scooting yourself
I
back.
swear to God, I'm already suing for somebody breaking my leg.
As anyone could predict, putting Nicole inside this squad car and shutting the door was going to be a struggle as well.
All right, push back with your good leg, and he's gonna help facilitate your hand. All right.
I can't move that leg.
You can't push for that one? The good one?
All right, this leg is gonna be straight. You're gonna sit straight back, so this leg is on the seat.
I can't even move.
You got it.
Dude, just let me out.
Push with your left foot.
Push with your left foot.
Oh my God, I can't push with that left foot. God, there's a brace on it. It's literally, there's a brace
No,
on it.
no,
You
your
move
left.
it, it puts pressure on the knee and it hurts really bad.
This
I don't know
one.
how else to explain that to you. You broke
This
my
one.
leg.
You need. Okay. Left one. Good leg. Use the good leg to push yourself into the vehicle. Just slide towards me.
You're pulling my arm.
No, I'm gonna help you when you start pushing. Come on.
You need to lift that leg or something instead because I can't lift it. And I don't want it to bump anything.
All right, you're gonna leave that leg straight as you sit back.
I can't put
Because you're not
any support
using
on
your
my
leg.
arm pulling that.
There you go.
There we go. Good. Clear.
She completely talked her way into this. I mean, literally 50 times. Like, please, please, please.
Nicole was arrested and charged with trespassing. She's looking at anywhere from 60 days to 1 year in jail if she's found guilty. What do you think about these cases? Let us know in the comments below. Until the next time.